Hello, welcome to Acorn and Oak and today's crafty video. Today I'm going to be doing an Amazon craft with you. Almost everything I'm using today is from Amazon. This spray paint, the Rust-Oleum stone spray paint, is from Amazon. My gold hoop is from Amazon. That was a pack of two. This is the larger of the two. And my air dry clay is from Amazon. Even the hot glue sticks that I'm going to be using are from Amazon. So I'm really big into the kind of contemporary mid-century decor, and I've been collecting some over the past couple of years so I can use it in my everyday decor. And I wanted to make something that's kind of mid-century looking but also contemporary. I've made one. You've probably seen it in pictures of my mantle over the year so far. But I'm going to make a second one, and I'm going to bring you along with it with me. So I'm going to open up my air dry clay. Now this is a white clay. The first one I did a small base, and this one I want to do a slightly larger base. So I may even use all of it, I don't know yet. But I'm going to see, I want this larger one to have a larger stone base, where my first one has definitely got a smaller base. So I'm just going to squish this together, knead it together if you like, so it becomes one piece. I think I might even use all of it, crafters. I might use all of this, because I want a substantial base for this one to sit in. I've given my surface a good wash, and the good thing, if anything does get caught into the clay, I'm going to be spray painting this base anyway, so I'm not too bothered. Okay, no, that's still not big enough. I think I might use this all, and this is a 500 gram pack. You can also get the Dax air dry clay from Amazon, but this is a 500 gram. So just use what is appropriate for you if you decide to do this. So just kneading it together so it becomes one. Okay, and I want this to be taller than my previous base on the other one that I made. I'm just going to smack it on the base on my work surface to get that nice flat base. And I'm not bothered about all the imperfections around the side, because I am going to be spray painting this, and I do want it to resemble stone, so I'm not going to be bothered about it being, you know, completely symmetrical or being completely smooth. One thing I am going to do is I'm going to cut this open. I'm going to cut this open, and we're going to almost push those outwards, and hopefully my my hot glue gun is hot enough. Now the sticks that I've got from Amazon are actually too small for my glue gun, so I do have to use another one to push it down. At the time that I record this, I'm still waiting for Poundland to get the glue sticks in. Okay, and then these have a join, so I'm going to put that in the glue, and I'm going to give that a little while to sit. Just give that a few seconds to sit. and then we're going to close it up. Now you're going to need to leave this to dry. Give it 24 hours and longer, because it's such a big chunk of clay, so it may take a bit longer than 24 hours to dry, but I'm going to leave that for a period of time to completely dry, and then we will take this downstairs and spray paint the bottom. So see you in a second. Right, crafters, so I've got some masking tape around the gold hoop, because obviously I don't want this to get spray painted. So now I am going to use this Rust-Oleum stone spray paint, and I get this from Amazon. So let's set up the camera and get this spray painted. I will give that about a day to dry, and then I will spray it again if I need to give it a little touch up. But the next time you see it, it'll be done, and I'll give you a close-up. Okay, crafters, so here we go. That's them now both complete. So the spray paint really does give them a stone effect, and this spray paint comes in different finishes, but I'm really happy with them. I know this won't be everybody's cup of tea, but if you're into contemporary or mid-century, I think these will look lovely in that kind of that home decor. Thank you very much for watching, and you'll see me again soon. Bye now. Stay well and stay safe, everybody.